Hi students, today we are going to about the topic is rounding of numbers. Okay, so what's the meaning of rounding of numbers? Okay, for example we see, so somebody asking you, so what is the distance between your beach and home? Okay, what you say? So you have to say approximate value of kilometers. Okay, isn't it? So what is the approximate value? You have to say just 25 kilometers, just 15 kilometers you say. You have to not the exact number, isn't it? So that is called the rounding of numbers. Here they are given its nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 is same the meaning. Okay. First nearest 10. So nearest 10, the example is 264. They give your give a book. So first you have to see the ones place. Ones place, what number they given is 4. So isn't it? Is the 5 is greater than or less than 5 is 4 is the less than number, isn't it? So what you do? So less than means first you have to nearest 10 means you have to 10 is the, so you put it 10. So nearest to 5 means you have to same number you should write. So 260. Okay, next example is 756. What first digit? So first digit means ones place they are given this 6 number they are give this. Okay. So what you do? 5 is greater than less than, so it is greater than 5. So what you do? So you have to simply put it 10. Then greater than 5 means you have to add 1. Add 1 tens place. So 5 plus 1 6. So 760 is the answer. Nearest 10. So next one nearest 100. So nearest 100 is yeah. So 20 is there, no? You simply have to add 20. Okay. Then you look at this tens place. Tens place what they give this 8. 8 is there. So this is 5 is greater than or less than. This is a greater than. Okay. So what you do? So you have to add 1. So 100 place you have to plus 1. So plus 1 means 9 plus 1 10. So 1000. Yeah, get the answer is 1000. Next example is 735. So you put it 20 735. So tens place you look at this 3 is 5 is less than 3. So what do? You have to same number you have to write. So 700. So next one is nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 is 30 is there, no? You put in 30. So but in nearest 1000 you look at ones, tens, 100. 100 plus you have to see this. Look at this 4 is there, no? 4 is 5 is greater than or less than. So it is less than. So you have to same number you have to write. 500. That's all. So next example is 6570. This is 5. So 5 is equal 5. So 5 is less than or no? It is greater than it's not there. So 5 is there, no? So you have to add 1 in what? 1000 places. So 7000. That's all. So next one is exercise 1.3. First one is round off the numbers to the nearest 10. Round off the numbers to the nearest 10. So what you do? Nearest 10 means you put it 10. So first digit you have to check 6. Is it? 5 is greater than 6. So what you do? You have to add 1 in tens place. So 4940. That's all. So next one is 5090. Here you have to see the 0 is ones place, no? So what you do? Yeah, you have to same number you have to write this. So 5090. That's all. So you have to check it. 5 is greater than or less than or. Only you have to change it. 0 is you have to same number you have to write it. So next one is round off numbers to the nearest 100. So round off numbers to the nearest 100. So 100 means you have to put in 2 zeros. Then you check it second digit. Second digit means tens place. Tens place what number they give? 4. 4 is there, no? 4 is 5 is less than 4, isn't it? So what you do? You have to what? Same number you have to write this, isn't it? So 71300. So next one is 80675. So 00. Then second digit is 7 is there. So here 5 is greater than 7, isn't it? So you have to add you have to add 1. So 6 plus 1 means 7. So 80700. That's all. So next one is round off the numbers to the nearest 1000. So 1000 means 30 is there. So you have to write the 3 zeros. Look at the third numbers. Third number means ones, tens, hundreds. 100 place you have to change it. Okay, isn't it? So 5. So you have to have ones in 1000 place. So 94000. Next one is 60973. So 000 you have to add this. So look at this. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. 100 place is 9 is there. You have to add 1 in 1000 place. So 6, 1, 9 plus 1 what? 10 no. So you have to 0, the balance here. So 6, 1, 000. So that's all. So next one is round out the following measures to the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. How you write this? So you have to give this 7, 5, 8. So nearest 10 means what you do? You have to look at first digit. First digit is 8 is there. So here 5 is greater than 8. So what you do? You have to add 1 in tens place. So 760. So how you write this 100 place? 100 place is 2 zeros add. So you have to write it 20. So look at this second place. Second place is 5 is there, no? So what you do? You have to add 1 in third place. Okay? So 800. So nearest 1000 means 3 zeros you have to add it. Then look at this third number. Ones place, tens place, 100 place you have to change it here. 5 is greater than 7, no? Is it? So you have to add 1. So 1000 you have to get it. So nearest 1000 is 1000. So next one is 4098 kilometers. So what you do? So nearest 10, you have to look at this first number. First digit is 8 is there, no? So you have to add it 1 in tens place. So 9 plus 1 0. Balance 1 here. So 4100 kilometer nearest 10. So nearest 100 is 00 you have to add it. So 100 means look at the wall. So 1 space, 10 space you have to check it. So here 9 is there. So 9 is there is what? You have to add 1. So 4100 kilometers you have to get it. The nearest 1000 means nearest 1000 you have to add it 3 zeros. So 3 zeros is ones place, tens place, 100 place. So 100 place what they give this 0 is there. So what I told you have to same number you have to write it, isn't it here? No. So 4000 kilometers. So that's all. Then fifth subdivision is find the smallest and greatest number which when rounded off the nearest 1000 and becomes 3000. So smallest number is 2500. Greater number is 3499. You have to check it. Okay. First, the smallest number is 2500. Isn't it? So 2500 is becomes 3000 here. So smallest number is you have to small number in 3000. So 2500. So greatest number is 3499. So 3499. 1000 nearest 1000. How you write this? So here 3 zeros is there. So 3 number. So 1000 means 30 you have to write 8. So you have to look at what? So look at what? So 3 you have to add it 1. So 3499. So next topic is Roman numerals. Okay. So in previous, so 4th standard, you have to learn how to read the Roman number and write the Roman number. Still 50 you have to read this, isn't it? So on this standard, 5th standard, you have to read till up to 1000. Okay, 1000 how you write this Roman numerals. Okay. So 30 how you write this Roman numerals. So 10 here is 10, isn't it? 10, 10, 10. So 30, isn't it? So 13 how you write this? Here is 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. This way you have to write that. Next one. So 10s up to 100. So here 10. This is double you have to write this 20. So triple you have to write 30. This sign. Okay. This sign means 10. Okay. So 10 repeated only 3 times only this letter repeated. Okay. Wow. These letters are more. Any letters you have to only 3 times only repeated. Now not more than 4. Okay. So 10s up to 100. How you write this in Roman numerals? 10, 20, this 30, this 40, L is 50, LX 50 plus 10. So 60. Then 70 is here L means 50. 50, 60, 70. So here 50, 60, 70, 80. So 90 is XC. C. So you have to write this XC is 90. So C is 100. If you want take this screenshot, it will be useful for you. Okay. So next one, B, L and D is never repeated. Okay. This sign only, sign means 10. Okay. This repeated only 3 times and never, this is also not repeated. Then X can be written to the left of L and C. Okay. Yeah, this Roman numerals 10 is no, this written only be left of L and C. Okay. Next. Exercise 1.4. Okay. So first one. So write the following Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. So how you write this? Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. How you write this? So isn't it 10? So 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30. 30, 5, 1, 1. So 5 plus 5, 6, 7. So 37. Okay. So 10, 1x is 19. So here 10 plus 9. So 19. So here 10 plus 10, 20. So LX is 60, 70, 75. So that's all. So next subdivision is write the following Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. So previous in Roman numerals, how you write this? Hindu-Arabic numerals. This subdivision is Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numerals. Okay. So 45, how you write this? So XL is 40. Okay. So 5 is 5. So that's all. So 73 is, so LS is 60, 70, 73. So 14, how you write this? 14. So X 14. 1B, isn't it? Here 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. So 100 is, you know that. So 100 is C. So that's all. So next subdivision is filling the blanks. So first one is a symbol can be repeated what? How many times? 3 times only. Okay, va? So a symbol can be repeated 3 times. A symbol can be repeated 3 times only. So next one is the symbols B, L and C are never repeated. The symbol B, L and D are never repeated. So C Phillips is a symbol X can be written to the left of what? L and C. Left of L and C. X can be written is L and C. So next one is a symbol I can be. One can be written to the left of V and X. V and X. So next one, the last subdivision is which of the following are meaningless? Which of the following are meaningless? So A is what? So A is 1, 1, X. Okay. So B is X, 1, 1, 1. So C is B, B, 1. So D is 1, C. So E is 1, C. Okay. This only give you a book. So yeah, which one is meaningless? Okay. This is a meaningless, no? Not like that. Not write this way. So you have to write this way only you have to write this. So 12. Isn't it? So next one is, so this is not meaningless. So next one is X1, 1. Oh, this is correct. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is correct. So next one is VV1. This also a meaningless, not like that. So this is 5. So this is 4. So 5 is not like that. 5, write this. 5. This is what? 6. So 6. You should not write 56 here that way. Isn't it? So this is also a meaningless. So D is the 4C. So this also a what? Meaningless. 4C. 4C is 100. This is not a correct way. This is also a wrong. Meaningless. So E is 1C. So this is also a what? Wrong. That's all. Okay. Thanks for watching.